Yo guys, welcome to the video. What's going on? To get straight to the point, I know that a lot of you know that my partner and I are really skilled at TikTok and going viral organically. We want to show you exactly how to set up a campaign for any single niche in e-commerce on TikTok ads to get results ASAP. Alright guys, welcome to the video. We are now inside of my computer. First steps that I'm not going to show in this video, but are ones that you must do, is go ahead, make your business account, set up your pixel, make sure everything's firing correctly. It's pretty straightforward how to do it. They have a whole integration with Shopify. Once that's all set up, you're good to go, ready to launch ads. Let's go into that strategy right now. Alright, so now we're inside my computer for one of my side brands that I don't pay too much attention to. The strategy applies to any single niche, like I said, so no matter what you're selling, pretty much this is going to work for you, and I'll explain why as we go on. But first thing you're gonna wanna do is create a campaign, make sure you choose conversions. This is very, very similar to Facebook, Snapchat, all that kind of stuff. Make sure you're choosing conversions, give your campaign a name, we're gonna call it test. And we're gonna keep going here. Now we're in the ad set level. So this is very similar to Facebook, guys. A lot of you shouldn't be confused about it. I just wanna go through the strategy and why we find it works so well after trying a few things. So first thing you're gonna do is select a pixel. Once it's created, I'm not gonna choose mine because it will show the brand name. So after you choose your pixel, you wanna choose the conversion event. And the one that you're gonna wanna choose is called complete payment. There's a few ones there, but complete payment is just what TikTok calls purchase. So we're gonna go for complete payment. Placements, we're gonna select placements and only run it on TikTok. As you guys probably know, TikTok's a big company. I think they're owned by ByteDance is what they're called. And they own a few other weird platforms, but we don't wanna be on there. We wanna be just on TikTok, and so that's where we're gonna show up. After that, you wanna leave all this stuff alone. It's very, very quick 2-minute setup. All we're gonna have to do is leave everything empty. Make sure location is set to only US. For genders, unless you're selling something that's very gender specific, you wanna leave it alone. If you sell women's jewelry, obviously choose female. Or if you sell men's gym wear or something like that, obviously choose that gender, but keep it straightforward, guys. Keep it broad. This is almost exactly like Facebook. You want TikTok to do the targeting at first. What's more important than anything is the creative, which I'm gonna talk about right now. For age limit, we found that sometimes doing 18 to 55 plus is the best. It's kind of up to you to test around. You can leave it completely blank as well. It's up to you. I just don't want 13-year-olds who have no credit card to buy our stuff. You know, most people even lie about their ages. So even if you're targeting these 18-year-olds, a lot of them are probably 16, but don't worry about that too much. We just do 18 to 55 plus. Languages, no limit. They know, if your ad copy's in English and stuff, TikTok is not going to show your stuff to someone in Spanish. They know that much. Interests, leave alone. Behaviors, leave alone. Time period, all this stuff, leave empty. The only thing that matters is setting a budget. We typically recommend going somewhere between 50 to 100. So for this case, we're just gonna go with 100. I think that's quite common. I think most people can afford that kind of budget. Schedule, of course, you wanna do it for the next following day at midnight. We find that if you were to do it midday, they would just jam pack your budget and send you a ton of traffic for those remaining hours in the day. And I don't know, I kind of want to just keep it clean and fresh. So we schedule for the next day at midnight. Run continuously. Optimization goal, always conversion, and then you're gonna wanna choose a bid. Now they're gonna show you this suggested minimum bid. Leave that alone and don't worry about it either. That is complete bullshit. They even say that it's beta. So you wanna choose somewhere between an $8 to $15 bid, depending on the ticket of the item you're selling. You know, I feel like most dropshippers are probably selling an item somewhere between $30 and $80 maybe. So assume that you sell a $50 product and your break even kind of cost per purchase on that is like 25 or 30. You're gonna wanna put a bid at somewhere between $10 to $15 per conversion, in my opinion. Again, this is all up to you, and bidding works differently in each platform, but just say 15 for now, because even if you don't get any conversions from these guys, this is by far the cheapest platform you're ever going to get impressions on for your brand. And as simple as that may sound, most people just don't understand that. Of course, you can go viral organically on TikTok and get tons of views on your own page, but you can also just pay $50 and get 100,000 impressions to your brand for $50. Like, why wouldn't you want that? Now, of course, not everyone's gonna watch the video and remember your brand, but they're still gonna see that. And then if they see one of your Facebook ads one day, or they see one of your organic viral videos, if you follow our strategies for that, it's just gonna be so much easier for them. There's a little bit more of trust. So if that makes sense, smash the like button. I'm really trying to give some value bombs in this video and keep it quick and straight to the point. We are now in the ad level, and this is the most important level. Just a brief overview so far. We made our campaign. We have our ad set. It's completely broad targeting, no targeting at all in the United States. Now we're in the ad level, and the only thing we're gonna wanna do here is upload at least, and I say at least, 3 videos to TikTok. A lot of people get super lazy, or they just don't focus too much on creative, and I actually tweeted about this recently. So many people, even on Facebook, spend so much time in the ad set level looking at all their ad sets and their audiences and which ones are working best. And although that's important, the results in the ad set level will be better if you just focus on your ads, your creative, the content, the copy, the call to action button. Everything matters so much more than you think. So that's some peace of mind, food for thought. Make sure that you have a compelling video for a TikTok. You know, don't have it all adsy and salesy, where you're saying half off, shop now, all these scammy animations and whatnot. You don't want to do that. You want to pretend that you're almost posting this TikTok on your own page. So if you already have viral videos on your organic page, you're going to want to take those, go to a website that allows you to remove the TikTok watermark, because like the TikTok ads algorithm kind of like requires that to be happening. Like you can't have any watermarks on there, obviously. So remove the watermark, upload that video into here, and use those organic viral videos as your ads. If you don't have that yet, that's totally fine. Literally get TikTok, make 5 TikToks, you know, use some text and just simply explain your product as if you're explaining it to a 13-year-old, and then upload it. This video might sound super simple. You might be saying, Corey, like anyone can teach me this. Well, they can, but are you gonna act on it? I really want you guys to try this and give me advice on what you see. I'm convinced that a lot of you are gonna start seeing, number one, of course, insanely low, cheap CPMs, which is always great. And then number 2, if your landing page is in check and you have that high converting funnel, you're gonna have conversions. People are bored at home, it's quarantine, they're gonna shop. They're gonna shop. If, you know, like where attention goes, marketers go, and where marketers go, people buy. Like that's kind of like the way I look at it. So make sure you have 3 to 5 videos at least in there. That's very simple, explaining the product, explaining what it does, where they can get it done. It should be somewhere between 5 to 15 seconds, and make sure that your ratio is the vertical aspect ratio that way. But regardless, the first thing you're going to notice is an influx of traffic. You're going to see a lot of traffic coming to your website, and if you have a decently high converting funnel, this is going to be pretty beautiful for you. This is the most underpriced platform right now. The attention is so cheap. People like Gary Vee have been talking about it for years. So if anything, we're kind of late to the train, but I'm still putting it out there because over the next few years, TikTok and e-commerce are really going to expand. I've had a few business ideas that I only want to do on TikTok, including this brand that I'm working on, this ad account. There you have it. That's the video. Video's done. If you want to leave, take care. Make sure you subscribe, smash the like button, or there's the thumbs down button. I don't even care at this point. But make sure you try a strategy out, guys. TikTok's cheap. I really hope a lot of you kind of like execute on this. If you want to learn more information, or maybe I explained too fast and you want to ask me questions, you can comment below or just join my Discord server in the link below. Free to join, shoot me a message. I'm constantly on my computer, so I'm always around to answer questions. And I hope this will actually help you guys scale your business in the new year. That's it for the video, guys. I'm gonna take off now, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.